Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today we will be looking at the TicWatch E2. They are calling it the ultimate fitness companion, and I can agree. After using the watch for some time now, it seems to be pointing more towards fitness users. It has a 1.4-inch nice AMOLED display and a 415 mAh battery, which is a 30% increase coming from its previous models, giving it around 2 days of battery life. And yes, I do get around 2 days of battery life unless I have the always on display on, then that brings it down to about a day and a half. This watch is also now water resistant up to 50 meters and has swim monitoring. So yes, you can take it swimming without any worries and track your swim exercises. Now this doesn't support LTE, but does still have a built-in GPS, which is nice for when you want to use it for your walks or runs. And one thing I like about it is how very lightweight it is. Honestly, sometimes I forget it's on my wrist. That is due to the plastic build of the watch and the lightweight straps that are actually really comfortable. They are made of a nice soft material that feels nice on the wrist. Now, this watch also has a heart rate sensor. It's got the Google Assistant, which is the best assistant out there in my opinion. And it's running Google Wear OS, giving a nice, smooth experience when navigating through the watch. Now, one thing the watch doesn't have is a speaker. So you can't have a phone conversation with it, but it will allow you to answer a call or make a call with the watch. You'll just have to pick up your phone to talk. But it does have a built-in microphone, so you'll be able to do things like use your Google Assistant with your voice, use voice to text, or even use the Google Translator. But overall, I think this is a great watch. It actually has really grown on me, to be honest, and you can also get it at a great budget-friendly price for $160 right now on Amazon. And if you find yourself interested, I'll throw the link down in the description below. But like I said before, this watch is great for fitness or even those that have never owned a smartwatch before. This would be a good first timer because it's so simple to use and doesn't cost a whole lot. But you guys let me know your thoughts down in the comment sections below. Do you think it looks like a great watch to have for the price? Let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up if you found it helpful, and if you did like it, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any future videos to come. This is Josh Quinones, and I will see you all in the next one. Peace out.